Welcome to Quiz Plus. Are you ready to plus yourself up?
Can you guess the most dangerous shark species in 3 seconds? Great white shark. Tiger shark. Bull shark. Requiem shark. Black tip shark. Sand tiger shark. Wobbegong shark. Bronze whaler. Blue shark. Oceanic white-tip shark.
Share and subscribe Quiz Plus and hit the bell icon.
If you enjoyed today's quiz, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell so you never miss a challenge. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and keep quizzing with Quiz Plus. See you soon.